So I'm calling you on behalf of Group Resolve. Our company name is Group Resolve, and right now we are located our main office in Manchester. Okay?
You're called Brussels Sprouts?
Manchester.
Well, what is the name of your group? Brussels Sprouts?
I beg your pardon?
What is your company called? Is it called Brussels Sprouts?
Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm telling you, our company name is Group Resolve. We are the back-end support team for a technical department of Windows operating system.
You've got a big back end?
We are the back-end technical support team for we provide the services to the 5 different international countries.
Oh, the 5 countries?
Okay?
Okay.
Sir, you just need to turn on your computer. I will show you the problems, exactly what the hackers is doing to your computer, because they knows all the details of your computer. Okay, so we will keep you to the secure zone, and you don't have to worry. This is a free service call.
Oh, thank goodness for that. Thank goodness it's free.
So you just need to turn on your computer, sir. I'll show you the problems, alright?
You're going to show me your back end?
Sorry?
You're going to show me your back end?
We will show you the problems, exactly what the hackers is doing to your computer. You can see with your own eyes. I don't have to tell you all. You can see in your computer, you can see with your own eyes. Alright?
But I'm blind.
So please go and turn on. Hello?
Hello, I'm just turning it on.
Yeah. Let me know when it is fully turned on, alright?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wicked.
Hello?
Yeah, it's on now.
Yes, is it on now? Now you just have to focus on your keyboard. Do you see the CTRL key? That's the control key at the bottom left-hand corner of the keyboard.
Yes, I can see that one.
Okay, just beside control key, do you see the 4-flag Windows key?
My computer's a Sinclair Spectrum.
Sorry?
My computer, it's a Sinclair Spectrum.
Hello, yes?
Yes, my computer, it's a Sinclair, it's a Spectrum. 48K.
Your computer is what? I didn't get you.
A Sinclair Spectrum, 48K, top of the range.
So, sir, I'm not able to understand you. Okay, I'm just transferring this call, alright?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sure.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, sir. Very good morning. My name is Andrew, and I'm the supervisor in the floor. I will assist you from here, okay?
Okay.
So, what do you see on your computer screen?
Well, I've just booted it up. My computer is a Sinclair Spectrum.
It's okay. So, is it Spectrum?
Yes, 48K, top of the range.
That's the reason why we are calling you, and we are a part of that department, okay?
Okay.
We are the technical part for the CAK Spectrum department, and that's the reason why we are calling you.
Do you know Clive Sinclair?
Sorry?
Do you know Clive Sinclair?
Who's in charge of... I don't know the name. There's a fat guy.
That's the one with no hair.
There's a fat guy. I don't know his name.
Oh, that's probably Clive.
I think so. It's a Clive, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you're going to fix my Sinclair Spectrum for me.
Sorry?
You're going to fix my Sinclair Spectrum computer?
Yes.
Cool beans.
So just be in front of your computer right now.
Yes. It's on.
Okay, do you see all the icons on your computer screen?
I'm just loading a cassette called Horace Goes Skiing. It seems to be working okay.
Sorry?
Beep. 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 It's making a funny noise now.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, what happened, sir?
The computer made a funny noise. I think someone's hacked it.
Computer is make funny noise?
Yes, I think someone's hacked it.
Okay, so is it turned on?
Yes, I just loaded the cassette tape. I'm going to play Horace Goes Skiing.
So you just have to focus on your keyboard, alright?
Yes, it's a rubber keyboard.
Okay, do you see the CTRL key? That's the control key at the bottom left-hand corner of the keyboard.
Yes.
Just control key, do you see the 4-flag Windows key?
Oh, my computer's not Windows, it's a Sinclair Spectrum.
Your computer is not Windows, it's a Spectrum.
Yes, Sinclair Spectrum.
Okay. So, exactly what's there on your keyboard?
Oh, there's lots of rubber keys, and each key can do 4 different things.
What it's written?
What is written? There's no Windows, it's not a Windows computer.
Okay, so in your keyboard, what's the keys?
Keys, QWERTY, letters of the alphabet, Control, Enter, Shift.
Which one?
The Shift Q star.
No, do you have the CTRL key on your keyboard?
I have a Control key, yes.
Yes, that's Control key. Just beside Control key, do you see 4-flag Windows logo key?
No, not on a Sinclair Spectrum.
Just beside Control key, not Spectrum. I'm not talking about Spectrum. Just beside Control key. Do you see that?
I'm talking about the Spectrum, that's my computer. Google it.
What?
Google it, the Sinclair Spectrum. It's a highly advanced computer.
Okay, so sir, did you see on your computer screen, did you see start?
I saw Horace.
Start.
Horace, he's going skiing.
At the left-hand corner, did you see start?
I've got a joystick too.
Sorry?
I've got a joystick.
Hello, sir, hold on a sec, alright? I'll be back, okay?
Okay.
Hold on a sec. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, sir, I'm just transferring this call, alright? To the senior supervisor on the floor.
Is that Clive?
Yeah, hello?
Hello, is that Clive?
Okay, my name is Daniel Smith, sir. I'm the technician here, and I will assist you now, okay?
Cool.
Okay, so, well, you said you have a Spectrum computer, right?
Yes, a Sinclair Spectrum.
Spectrum. And is that the brand of the computer?
Sinclair is the brand. The manufacturer.
Okay,
yeah. 48K.
Is that a Windows? Okay, it's a Windows operating or different operating system?
No, it's Sinclair. It's 48K. It's very powerful. Rubber keypad.
Very powerful, okay.
And a joystick.
Okay, so one thing, sir, you just try to go online, okay? Try to go online, right?
I'm just loading up Jet Set Willy.
Okay, take your time.
Thank you. It's loaded.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Pardon?
Can you see it from your screen? Oh, it's working.
Well, I cannot see you right now, sir, because you're not connected to our department, okay?
Yes, I don't have the internet. It's a Sinclair Spectrum.
So you don't have internet. Okay, bye.
Dearie me.